Hand massage. Step 1. Along the wrist, pluck from left to right, then pluck back and forth from right to left. This position is a place that is easily overlooked when we are doing hand care, especially for people who often use a mouse and keyboard. This step is very important. Step 2. Turn the palm up and perform circular pressing and kneading. At this time our other hand provides assistance. Press and knead at the palm heel area. After finishing the circular pressing and kneading, turn the hand over, with the back of the hand facing us. At this time, start pulling downwards from the web between the thumb and index finger. Note that 2 fingers apply force, the thumb is above. The index finger is below, slowly slide outwards. This step is all for relieving hand fatigue. You can do this at the joint between the index finger and middle finger. Then between the middle finger and ring finger. And finally at the joint between the little finger and ring finger. After relaxing all of them, we turn the hand over. Push upwards from the wrist crease. Keep pushing upwards. Push to the first joint of the thumb and little finger. Then the index finger and ring finger. Finally, simultaneously push both hands up to the middle finger. After this step is completed, turn the hand over again. Starting from the little finger, individually pull each finger outwards. After pulling through once, at this time we then perform overall hand relaxation. Divide and separate on the back of the hand with both hands. Finally, pinch and hold the wrist and pull outwards. Repeat a few times.